This is a walkthrough and tutorial of Jessica Powell's one-on-one template in Coda. And this is a template on how you can run your one-on-ones with your direct reports. This template is based on the framework discussed in Jessica Powell's blog post, how to run a good one-on-one meeting. The link for this blog post is in the template, and this is like a really long blog post about all the different things you can think about for running a good one-on-one with your direct report. So in this template, the first section has actually also like a decent exercise on how you should run your one-on-one. But the first thing you want to go to in this template is your partnership one-on-one expectations. And this is what you would share with your direct report if you are the manager setting up the one-on-one. There's a few sections here that you should fill out between you and the direct report: employee expectations, manager expectations, joint agreements. And the last section here for setup is really important. You should put, the direct report should put their email here, and the manager should put their email here, because the agenda for this one-on-one can actually be emailed out to both the direct report and the manager ahead of the one-on-one meeting. So both parties are up to date on what's going on for the one-on-one. The main part of this template is the active agenda section. Here you can first put in the date for today's one-on-one and then log some updates to your goals. So when you want to talk about your quarterly, maybe monthly goals, you can go to this section right here in this goals section and just type in 3 goals that you, the direct report, want to complete by the end of the quarter or end of the month or even end of the year. And these goals will automatically show up in the active agenda section right here. So maybe for my weekly update this week, I can tell my manager, set up website conversion tool and onboarding flow started and did some trainings. And so this gives your manager, again, I'm the direct report, this gives the manager some idea on how you're progressing towards your quarterly goals, which are right here. And this is a formula that just gets pulled in from your goals table. In step 2, you have a sentiment, which you can log, and there's a few just different feelings that you can log as the one-on-one. Maybe I'm feeling good, feeling not good, feeling bad. Let's say I'm feeling not good, and the reason is coming off of a cold this weekend. And then finally, in this topics of discussion, you as the direct report, put in a few things you want to talk about: career progression, training, and vacation. You can also add miscellaneous notes down here. When you're ready to conduct the one-on-one, you can hit this Send Manager Update button, and this will email this entire agenda to both you, the direct report, and the manager as well. So both of you have notes on what to discuss during the one-on-one. After the one-on-one is over, you can just copy all these notes, go to past agendas, and just paste it above the last one-on-one you had. So you'll always have a running log of all your one-on-one meetings with your manager. And that is Jessica Powell's one-on-one template.